And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from this week's Common Ground volunteer on the efforts that producers make to make sure their livestock are safe in the cold weather. And now we are getting a recipe from her. Here is Crystal Klug with an idea on how to make a giant cookie.
You know what? I think everybody likes a cookie, a warm cookie out of the oven. And we're going to get a recipe today for that. Joining me now is Crystal Klug, a Common Ground volunteer from the Columbus area. You are going to make not only a cookie, but a giant cookie. Tell us more.
Yes, so we made this cookie a lot during quarantine in 2020, just because I was homeschooling and it was kind of stressful. So the kids were home, they were hungry, and I needed some chocolate therapy as well. So if you like warm cookies out of the oven, this is perfect for you. It's so fast and easy. So first we're just going to, in your mixer, we're just gonna put our sugars and our salt and our baking soda. So Gentry's gonna help me dump these in.
And Gentry, by the way, I forgot to introduce her. She's your daughter. What grade is she in?
She's in second grade.
Okay.
So we are mixing the sugars and the salt and the baking soda. And so now that we have these mixed together, we're gonna add in our butter, which we melted and let cool slightly. And then we're gonna add our egg as well. We're gonna add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then the last step, we're slowly gonna add in flour, and then we're gonna add our chocolate chips as well. And then there you have it.
So that's not too hard, and then it's kind of fun, you know, for the kids to be involved as well.
Yes, absolutely. So we have our dough that came together in a matter of just a couple minutes. And then we're gonna put it on our parchment paper, and then we'll shape our giant cookie. Gentry, do you wanna come over here? Into a circle. And then this will spread when it bakes in the oven. You can also put some more chocolate chips on top to make it look a little bit nicer. You can also add M&Ms if you wanted to. Here you have it. You just have your giant cookie. You put it in the oven and you bake it for around 15 minutes.
So a really great thing to do, a great recipe for being at home, perhaps during the cold weather, a good time to make a giant cookie. All right, Crystal, thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you, John.